Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys.
When are you making YouTube videos again?
Make videos again.
Paul, do fashion videos.
Paul, are you gonna do some vlogging again?
When are you making your next YouTube video?
Paul, do fashion videos.
Polly, do fashion videos.
Paul, are you coming back to YouTube?
Hey guys, I'm just gonna get straight into this before I ramble too much because the last takes, I felt like that's what I was doing. So the reason why I left YouTube for literally I feel like 2 to 3 years is because I started comparing myself with other influencers, with other vloggers, other people in the community, fashion community, the beauty community, whatever it may be. I started comparing myself and I was just like, what am I doing wrong? I feel like you're not doing anything right. Like no one watches you anymore. So it took a toll on me where I was like, is social media your thing? Do you keep going or do you stop? I can't stop. I love social media. I love being able to inspire someone out there, even if it's just one person through my videos, whether it's with fashion, a tutorial, a lifetime vlog, or I don't know, beauty, makeup, whatever it may be that I have posted. That's literally why I want to continue, and that's the main reason why I told myself, hey, come back to YouTube. Don't focus on comparing yourself. Don't focus on the amount of views, the amount of likes, the amount of comments. That literally doesn't determine who you are as a person. It will never determine anybody, including myself, on how amazing you are as a person, whether that is whatever your niche you're trying to focus on, business, gardening. Never compare yourself with anybody, guys. Just focus on yourself, do what you love, and things will grow. It will come naturally. If people like you, people love your videos, love your content, they will keep coming back. So for you guys who have stuck around since day one, my royal family ride or dies, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for sticking around, even with me not posting on YouTube. So now that I'm back on YouTube, I hope you continue to support me, and I appreciate all the love and support that you guys have given these last few years, and I honestly cannot wait to start this 2019 new YouTube journey. So I'm very, very excited, and I do apologize as well for not posting. I know I posted like a video sporadically, but you could tell in those videos like I wasn't happy. I was doing them just to make content. And that's where I lost myself. I was like, Paul, that's not you. So once I started looking back at my videos, I was like, nah, Paul. So I took a step back and just, you know, had time for myself until I realized, hey, Paul, the main reason why you started making videos was to inspire someone out there. And I'm back. And I don't want to be promising you guys that see you next week for a new video. I can't promise you that. With life right now, I do have like this 9-to-5 job, which I love, in the beauty industry, so you guys will be getting a new video, but I can't promise you guys every week, so I can't tell you that, hey, there's gonna be a new video next week. Not gonna happen. But if I ever do decide to quit YouTube, I will most definitely film a video. I'm not quitting. But yeah, never compare yourself with anybody, guys, because it will eat you up. Even on Instagram, I even would take like a month or 2 off from it because I would look at like other people's likes, I would look at my likes, and I'm like, what's going on? Why is nobody liking my stuff? And it just, I just got so fixated with numbers, pretty much. You should never get fixated on numbers because, like I said, a number, a like, a comment, a subscriber, a view doesn't determine how great you are as a person, how great your content is. Just keep creating content because I kid you not, you will inspire a person out there. But yeah, that's why I pretty much that's why I took a break from YouTube, because I just started comparing myself. And I know it's gonna be tough because there's a new algorithm, but you know what, at the end of the day, I'm making these videos because I love doing them. I'm still a little rusty, as you can see, but if you don't see that, that's amazing. But for me, I feel like I'm so rusty. Like, I'm looking at the viewfinder like, oh my god. Now, the life update is I still do work in the beauty industry. I love what I'm doing. I actually cover a certain part of Canada, pretty much the whole West Coast. I travel to all Sephora's, I educate, I train, I support, I sell. So I love what I do. I work with such an amazing company. So I got my family, of course, got a boyfriend. So we're actually hitting up our 1 year soon. And I'm so excited because we are going to freaking Cancun. I did just come back from a trip. I just came back from Singapore and Philippines. That was amazing. It was my first time in Singapore. And let me tell you, that is definitely one of my favorite countries in the world. Gorgeous place. And I want to go back. I felt like 3 days was not enough. Food was delicious. The people were so nice. The architecture, the buildings, to die for. To die for you guys that live in Singapore, who are subscribed to me, you guys are lucky to live in such a beautiful place. Philippines, visited family, went back home, like home, where I grew up after 20 years. And it was so freaking different. Went to Palawan. For you guys who have not gone to Palawan or who have, it is beautiful. If you haven't gone and have seen videos and photos like on Instagram, Facebook, wherever, what you guys see in the video is what you see in person. It's beautiful there. Beautiful. I definitely want to take my boyfriend to the Philippines. So I'm very, very happy with how life is right now. It's amazing. I'm loving it. I'm living it. I live it to the fullest every single day because you don't know what's going to happen the next day. Life's short. Life is very, very short. You guys know I used to work for Sephora. I worked for Sephora for almost 4 years. And then I left to become a counter manager for a department store. Did that for 6 months. Great experience. Never doing that again. Very different world. And now I am at the job that I'm in, which is pretty much an account executive for Western Canada for a brand. And I freaking love it. I freaking love it. I honestly love the atmosphere of Sephora. It's not like any other company that I've ever worked for. It's very different and unique. And to be in a brand perspective as opposed to a beauty advisor side, honestly, it is fire. Fire. I love the whole aspect of educating, training, supporting, especially for a brand that you love and use and that's helped with your skin. That's also, I just remember, that's also another reason why I kind of stopped filming, because as you guys know, from how many years ago, I did a review on like my Accutane journey because I had such severe acne back in high school. So you guys know I took Accutane for the whole course, 6 months at 80, I think it was 60 or 80, the highest dose. Got rid of my acne, which was great, but after 7 years, it came back. I started getting cystic acne. I'm still breaking out, but I am so happy with how my skin is compared to how it was last year. Honestly, guys, that's another thing that I want to tell you. Again, I feel like I'm rambling. If you have a breakout, flaunt it. My boyfriend likes to call them beauty marks. I was always scared to freaking like step out. Especially working in the beauty industry, I'm like, great. Like, I was literally breaking out everywhere. But I was like, you know what? With the encouragement of an amazing boyfriend, these are beauty marks. Embrace them. Embrace them all. They go away. They're temporary. They're not going to be there forever. Just find the proper skincare products for you. And boom, drink tons of water as well. Exercise, you know, go to the steam room, great for your skin. I remember when I thought I was freaking oily, but I wasn't. I literally get hydrofacials monthly, and when my facialist was like, you have dehydrated skin, and I was like, bish, what? Huh? Here I was thinking I was oily my whole entire life, but I have dehydrated skin, so I literally just use hydration products. But that's totally a different thing. That could be a different video. I just wanted to explain to you guys why I took a hiatus from YouTube. I took a break for a few years, what's been going on in my life, so we'll stick to that because I know I can ramble in videos. And if it's like a little 8-10 minute video, I'm like, damn Paul, you talk way too much. So I'm also learning that I shouldn't be doing long ass videos like that, because I know people can click out. I see y'all. I'm just kidding. But yeah, again, I am so excited for this new 2019 YouTube journey. I'm ready to tackle it and kill it with you guys. Again, thank you guys so much who have stayed for supporting me, for my new subscribers. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoy the content that I will be putting out. And I can't promise you that I will be putting out a video every week. It just doesn't allow it in my schedule. But expect a video coming soon. So I'm very excited. Again, thank you. Oh, I forgot to mention. You know how I used to call you guys royal family? So early this year I was like, I think I should change that to Peasy Packs. Let me know which you guys like more in the comments. Royal family or Peasy Pack? Let me know. Either or I'll be happy with, because again, like I said, without y'all I wouldn't be where I am today. So thank you. With that said, if you guys haven't yet, if you guys don't follow me in any of my social medias, they're all going to be located down below. And that is it for today's video. I'm so happy I got that out. I'm free! But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!